my friends, are you ready to cook? Let me tell you a little story. As soon as I was old enough to stay home alone, I became a potato cook. I would put the potatoes in the oven and set the temperature as soon as I got home from school. A few hours later, when my parents got home, the potatoes were ready to serve with dinner. From such humble origins, a chef was born. I'm happy to report I've upped my baked potato game quite a bit since then. As a vegan, I greatly appreciate baked potatoes. They make for a quick, easy, customizable lunch or dinner. And with this simple recipe, a good meal will never be more than a few hours away, especially if you have some helpers around the house. So today, let me tell you how to bake a potato. All you need are some potatoes, russet or baking potatoes work best, olive oil or melted butter, salt and pepper, and toppings of your choice, such as sour cream, cheddar cheese, bacon bits, or chives. You also need a baking sheet, a fork or knife, aluminum foil, oven mitts, or kitchen gloves. Once you have all that, you need to preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. This will ensure that it's hot enough to bake the potatoes to perfection. Then wash the potatoes thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt. Pat them dry with a paper towel. After that, take a fork or a knife and pierce each potato several times. This allows steam to escape during baking and prevents the potatoes from bursting. If you prefer a softer skin, you can wrap each potato individually in aluminum foil. This helps to retain moisture and create a steamy environment during baking. It's optional and a personal preference. Later, brush each potato with olive oil or melted butter. This will help the skin crisp up and add flavor. Sprinkle some salt and pepper on the potatoes if desired. Then, place the potatoes on a baking sheet. Make sure there is enough space between them for even cooking. Put the baking sheet with the potatoes into the preheated oven. Bake for approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until the potatoes are tender when pierced with a fork. Baking times may vary depending on the size of the potatoes. To ensure the potatoes are fully cooked, insert a fork into the thickest part of a potato. If it easily slides in and out, the potatoes are done. If there's resistance, continue baking for a few more minutes and check again. Once the potatoes are cooked, carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven using oven mitts or kitchen gloves. Be cautious as the baking sheet and potatoes will be hot. Allow the potatoes to cool for a few minutes as they will be very hot. This also helps the steam inside the potato to escape, making them easier to handle. Finally, use a knife to make a lengthwise slit on the top of each potato, then gently squeeze the ends to open it up. Add your favorite toppings, such as sour cream, cheddar cheese, bacon bits, chives, or any other desired toppings. That's it. Your baked potatoes are now ready to be enjoyed. If you liked this video and want to see more, go visit cookingwithjade.com. See you next time!